JHIMS provides efficient and precise screw tightening and removal machines for LED display manufacturing, helping manufacturers enhance production efficiency and market competitiveness. Below are 3 key advantages. High efficiency and increased output. JHIMS screw tightening machines can handle thousands of screws per hour, with a locking efficiency of 0.9 to 1.2 seconds per 2 screws, significantly reducing production cycles. Customer cases show a 40% increase in output after using these machines, with an investment return period of just 6 to 12 months. This high efficiency optimizes production processes, delivering greater output for businesses. High precision and quality assurance. These machines offer a repeat accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, ensuring consistent screw tightening quality that meets the stringent precision requirements of LED display assembly. Equipped with intelligent control systems and HD camera detection, they effectively reduce human error, further enhancing product quality and providing manufacturers with reliable quality assurance. Multifunctionality and cost-effectiveness. JHIMS machines not only tighten screws efficiently but also feature screw loosening capabilities, making them suitable for both assembly and maintenance, reducing the need for additional equipment. Additionally, automation reduces labor costs by 50%, delivering significant economic benefits and strengthening long-term competitiveness for businesses. Welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on JHIMS automation solutions, and feel free to like, comment, and share your thoughts. Or contact us anytime by visiting jhims.com for more details.